So let's start. So let me first welcome all of you who are watching us live. So this is Pro Talks from Proctor, a new initiative taken by Proctor team. Basically, this is just to help our partner coaching institutions and probably students as well who could benefit from this session by maybe hearing from the inspiring Mr. Hemant Boraji. So let me thank Proctor team as well, Swapnil, who is arranging everything for us, and Hemant sir for joining us today. So about Hemant sir, he's the owner of Hemant Boras Academy, prime institution in Pune area. He's teaching from almost 15 plus years now, although his experience in education industry is almost 25 years, and he has been teaching maths to 9th and 10th students. He has taught to almost, I think, more than 10,000 students till date, and all are doing very well. So let's hear from him about his journey, and we'll discuss more in detail about what he thinks about future post-COVID, how things will happen, what's the role of technology in present days and going forward. So over to you, Hemant sir. How do you basically
Yeah,
describe your journey?
good evening, Nishan sir, and good evening to all of you, those who are live with us right now on the panel. Sir, it's been 15 years, but journey has started long back. Basically, I had started with as an office boy to admin, from admin to consultancy and counseling, and then later on I started with my own academy under the name of Hemant Boras Academy in this area only for standard 8, 9, 10. Actually, the academy was started for externals only, those who were considered to be academic failure. But with time, as we grew, we were forced into taking regular students also. But now, so it's a part, and I'm enjoying that. Okay, let's not focus on what, or I want to be speaking a lot on myself. Coming to sir COVID-19, sir, it was a big shock for all of us. For the entire world, the pandemic was a challenge, and it's still a challenge, I should say.
Right,
For institution academic, see, we were into a traditional teaching way, where it was one-to-one or a classroom and across the bench, across the table. But sir, instead of speaking the drawbacks, let's go to the advantages of it.
so maybe if you can just give a more background, like what could be your batch sizes and how many classes, lectures were happening.
Okay, sir, in all 600 students, I was catering till last year. Every year, at least 600 students,
Okay,
8 to 9 batches. Now you can divide and calculate the number of students in each batch,
right,
somewhere here and there. With a youth
okay,
staff, total in all 8 classrooms we had. In all, we
okay,
had 8 classrooms. Okay, initially when I started, it was with 6 students, and with six
uh-huh.
students to 600 students, lot many challenges and lot many opportunities.
Right,
So that's a very long journey. Very
right,
small things we had to work on. Parents,
mm-hmm.
test, teaching, teachers, staff, infrastructure, marketing, and
Right,
all many things, and each thing to be worked on separately to improvise yourself, to adapt new things, to come up with new ideas. See, a good teacher is who always keeps on learning every day
definitely,
and keeps on implementing it and keeps on improvising himself.
right,
Like, sir, to be very clear, if you see the Indian history, we started with Gurukul.
right,
From there, we came to schools where children used to sit on the floor and we had a blackboard. Then we came to benches, and then we came to AC classrooms, and then we came to interactive classrooms, and so on. So, somewhere or the other, every class and every person has to go through that.
right,
So, by God's grace, we kept on updating ourselves, we kept on adapting new things,
mm-hmm.
applying them, learning from them. Self
Right,
assistance we used to do every month, and we used to have meetings key exactly what all things happened
mm-hmm.
and what all things we can improvise, or how can we can get more better or provide much better service, I should say.
Right,
Academic to sir, every teacher says 2 plus 2 is 4,
right,
but it is always the way you deliver and you try to reach the child that helped me grow a lot. Of
right,
course, with technology and modern age.
right. Good. So coming back to the same question regarding COVID we were discussing. So how do you
So
see it as
COVID.
before and now basically we are into COVID situation.
Sir, I see 360-degree change. Matlab, we were used to a very fixed pattern for last 7, 8 years, you can say, or 9, 10 years.
Uh-huh.
We were used to a fixed pattern, and all of a sudden somebody comes and says, now you cannot open the door of the class. But you have to reach the students. That was the biggest challenge. Initially, first few weeks, I should say, not days, but first few weeks, I was actually tensed, bothered, how things are going to work out. How am I going to reach each and every child? But thanks to you and my team, those who helped me to connect all these things and learn many new things. Like online was completely new for me. But sir, for today's generation, online is not new. Online is not today it's come up. It's going on for many years.
Right.
But we coaching institute or schools had never adopted it. We never tried to work with it. We were comfortable in our zone itself कि classroom है, classroom में आएंगे, बच्चे बैठेंगे, पढ़ेंगे और वही सही तरीका है. वही सही तरीका है. हमको वो तरीका सही इसलिए लगता था सर क्योंकि हमने कुछ नया ट्राई नहीं किया था.
Right.
Right now also few of my friends, today itself I received a message कि sir my classes are not going well and I'm not able to work. The only reason is sir he didn't accept it and he's not ready to change. And
Right.
as we say, change is the only constant thing.
Right.
So drawbacks are there. See, physical classroom is the most important thing. There's nothing like it.
Right.
But sir, if you go to advantages of it, I find more advantages in that.
Right.
Now for me, geography is a history. Exactly what I want to say by that geography is a history is, so previously if Hemant Bora had to go 10 kilometers and teach, it was possible but difficult. But if I plan to go to some other city, sir, it was
Right.
very difficult. But if I plan to go to other state, it was not possible.
Right.
But now sitting here, I can reach to any geographical area. There are no geographical barriers. So this itself says that geography has become a history now for academics.
Right.
We have enrollment from Mumbai. We have enrollment from Aurangabad this year itself.
Wow.
Though
Great.
the counting is less, and this has motivated me to spread myself to different areas, different localities. And now I guess, and with that, every child will be able to reach a good teacher.
Right.
And a single teacher can reach to n number of students. Sir, we had limits for classrooms from 25 to 100, 200, 300, 400, if it's a well-known academy and grown-up age children. But sir,
Right.
now we don't have anything. Now, sir, the best part what I observe in this is, teacher is reaching every child individually. On screen, there are thousands of screens going on at a time, but every teacher is reaching every child individually. So
Right.
this couldn't happen before.
Right.
Now the
But-
child doesn't have any disturbance.
Right.
There are certain factors which are very good and can be done only in physical appearance, but sir, they
Right.
can be worked on. They can be worked on. So I find
Okay.
more advantage. As I said, initially it was very tough. Now we have also started recording sessions and putting on a YouTube for our children. And now my children have entire data for the whole year. So end of the year when they used to come for doubt clearance, sir, this topic, that topic I had missed, I was absent and all these things. So that doesn't happen.
Right.
Data mining has become easy, sir. I have records of everything, attendance, what all questions the child had raised. It's recorded. It's there in the
Right.
data.
Right.
So any time of the day we can reach to it and we can analyze it.
Right.
Self-assistance has become more easy. And sir, the second good point is there is no space for pseudo teachers now. Now only skillful teachers can be there because many places parents are observing the lectures.
Right.
They try and hear the teacher's communication skill is subject knowledge, and
Right.
they try to be judgmental or they try to analyze that.
Right.
So now only hardcore and good teachers can only go further. So, okay, pandemic is a problem, sir, is a challenge. But sir, I still find there are many more advantages and it's opened a new door for everybody, at
Right.
least in education industry.
Right. Right. So what I understand broadly is basically the reason somebody like you basically was not that much impacted. Probably you were able to accept that change And
Sir, I
definitely,
was very stubborn. Ki, nahi, I don't want to go online. No, I don't want to change. I don't want any software. But sir, as we started trying one thing at a time and we started seeing the benefit, I was into a thought ki it reduces human value.
uh-huh,
No, sir, it doesn't remove reduces human value. It adds to the value of the academy and it
correct,
makes the work more smooth and easy and efficient.
right. And how do you see this thing from a student's perspective? Because all things we discussed are from the academy perspective.
Uh,
Now,
the
looking from the
students'
student side,
perspective, okay, the students have to be divided into categories, sir. Then,
uh-huh,
like one are notorious, studious, average, below average, slow learners, good
mm,
learners, fast learners, those who have analytical skills, those who have mechanical skills. So every student is going to have different perspective. But if I come
right,
to the common conclusion, if a child has good control over himself, that is
mm,
his thoughts and his body,
mm-hmm,
sir, there's nothing good like this for him. But if he needs a supervisor on his head, somebody to standing behind him with a stick in his hand or with a eyes spread out, he come on, this is what you're supposed to do. Sir, then there is a bit of challenge for it. Now that part is to be done by the guardian or the parents. They will be able to, or they should be doing this on behalf of the teachers, what teachers should do in the class. Now, every parent is a supervisor when the child is in the classroom or sitting at home and attending the lecture, which is a classroom for him. So, for every child, this is going to be something different. Like for a child, one who is studious, focused. So, for him, there's nothing good like this online.
mm-hmm,
But a child who needs strict supervision, for him, online would not be that beneficial if there is nobody sitting at home and supervising the child.
right. But what could be maybe the percentage you think could
Okay,
be?
sir, let's
Probably when,
with my experience and with the area
uh-huh,
what I cover, I would say, sir, it goes as 30, 30, 30.
okay,
Okay, 30% students are exactly comfortable.
uh-huh,
30% students, those who are considered to be academic failure, say
uh-huh,
they need that human touch.
right,
And rest 30% day to day, that is going to change, sir. Either
mm-hmm,
they're going to be on this side or they're going to be on that side, depending on what circumstances they are, what facilities are available, which subject lecture they are going through, and what is the interest or how much interest they have in that particular subject.
right,
But
true,
sir, to be very honest, and what I see and my experiences is, sir, whatever it is, whether you stand for physical or you stand for online, you vote for physical, you vote for online. But sir, now online is going to be an add-on services for every academic from next year.
mm-hmm,
That is going to be mandatory because every parent is conscious and very concerned about his child's health and hygiene.
right,
So the first question next year onwards, what I feel is every admission is going to ask us, sir, do you have online facilities also? Do you have recorded sessions? Because if someday my child is not feeling well, I'm not going to send him or her. So somewhere or the
right,
other, sir, that is to be up and to be applied.
right. So just one question here. So when you say online facility, what exactly do you mean? Like if we get into detail,
Okay,
like,
so, okay, I'll keep it very short, sir. When I say online facility, that is live lecture. First,
okay, right,
second is recorded sessions. Third
right,
is exam desk
okay,
for
online exam,
online. So because these are three major things required.
right,
Rest consultancy and counseling can be done online also and physically also.
right,
One to one also that is possible.
right, true. So basically, talking about online, so how do you think probably a coaching institution, maybe like yours or maybe something similar, could compete with the probably because when you are best
Hello,
teachers, right? Because
sir.
students,
Yeah, no, sir, I couldn't hear you. I'm so sorry, sir. I couldn't hear you.
when we talk about online, so probably any coaching institution maybe would be competing with the best of best teachers because it's online. right? So how do you see basically mid-size or maybe similar size as yours institutions competing with these large players like online players?
Okay, sir. Now I never thought on that, but maybe you gave me a thought for it. But for right now, I can say, sir, ki definitely, sir, big academies and our academy or any academy,
Right.
if it is for same standard, so the difference, the major difference is in the subject delivery
Uh-huh.
and services, that is add-ons.
Right.
These two major differences I always found, sir. Like few years back, I was never interested in any technology, any add-ons. But sir, when I visited different cities, different coaching classes, I had to do that to see how people manage. How can one single person cater 1,000 students? What
Right.
separate or what different he is doing? So
Right.
we need to go and observe that. We need to see that. And if so, there's no harm in implementing the same thing, or just what do you say? What would I call it as changing it or format according to your area or the type of crowd or the type of children what you have.
Right.
So initially, sir, everything was on paper. We used to write.
Mm-hmm.
Now, sir, it's a soft copy now we have. A
Right.
small change. Things are same, sir. Things are same.
Right.
Initially, we used to call parents. We used to speak to them. Now on call, we first inform them everything, and then they are invited so that it remains to the point.
Uh-huh.
Number
Right.
of things we have changed, sir. Previously, parents used to meet and ask about child's progress, how many tests are conducted. They had to come and ask. Now they don't need to do that,
Right.
because
Yes.
everything is provided. So when they come, all the problems are filtered. They come with the genuine reasons and genuine problems.
Right. But in many cases, probably parents also want their kids to go to the coaching class so that they also get time. That could be.
Sir, I'm so sorry. I have a complete different opinion on that. I would say a parent, one who doesn't have control over the child, wants that. And that's not wrong, sir. It may be due to care, due to love, or they are busy, occupied
Right.
from the hectic schedules. They are not able to manage time. And many times it happens that more than parents, a child follows his teacher or a friend or a mentor.
Right.
So, sir, physical is going to be there. Every parent wants it. So, eventually, we are going to come back to the normal situation.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe by next academic, we'll be at the normal situation where all the doors of the classrooms will be open, all schools will be open, everything will be in the regular routine.
Right.
But, sir, in that case, also, what I feel is at least 20% of the crowd would
Mm-hmm.
go for online,
Right.
or they would go for both the things, physical as well as online.
Right.
So, sir, that is going to stay. Now, it's a permanent part of the system, sir.
Mm-hmm.
But physical is going to say importance of physical is never going to come down. Never, never.
Right.
But with physical online, only that part is going to grow, or that academy is going to grow very fast.
Right. And how do you see the impact on maybe the fees? Because
Okay. Now coming to that, sir. Okay, I'm live and I don't want to hurt my business or economy, but let's be honest and very transparent that sir. So with this year, I couldn't compromise on the fee structure because
uh-huh.
all the overheads were fixed. People were hired. I had my team ready. I had my infrastructure ready. Everything. So, but honestly speaking, with online, lot of overheads will come down if you are only online.
Right.
Because sir, then you don't need 6 classrooms.
Right.
You just need 3 small office or 3 small rooms with all the facilities, technical facilities available,
Right.
or a laptop if it is not a subjective thing to be taught.
Right.
So, sir, of course, 40% expenses have come down. Sir, I feel with online, the academic's life or the teacher's life is going to increase. It's going to add on to that because you won't be having that mental stress, control the classroom, look at the parking, and many different things, sir. Use light bills and all those things, and then run from this academy to that academy or from home to classroom and classroom to home and different schedules. He can club 2-3 batches together of same standard and
Mm-hmm.
be on air. So, sir, physically, and economically it is beneficial for a teacher.
Mhm.
And
Right.
definitely fee structures in that case can come down.
Mhm. Right.
Like what we are planning, to be very honest, sir, I don't mind it declaring it right now. For next year, we are planning with some selected students 5 days online and 2 days physical.
Okay. Right.
We'll try that in the initial stage. If it doesn't work out, the students are welcome for the physical, or if they want only online, they can go only online also. Those
Right.
2 days will for the physical touch or for a man-to-man service, whatever is required.
Right. So what do you think could be the
But
biggest? Uh-huh.
economically this year it was a problem, sir. Matlab,
Right.
it is reduced, percentage
Right.
not to be declared.
Definitely not. Right. So what do you think
Yes.
would be the biggest challenges in online space, like which cannot be taken care by technology maybe right now?
So the biggest advantage is the biggest challenge. That is physical presence or face-to-face conversation between teacher parent and teacher students. That is the only one thing. And second is somewhere what I find right now is test
Uh-huh.
is a bit of problem.
Okay.
Supervising the test. There is no supervisor, sir. And we
Uh-huh.
don't know whether the parent is supervising or not.
Okay.
One. Secondly, when you ask the papers to from online through a file, through mail, through documents, or any application, what you have to assess that, if it is a subjective, to assess that and return the paper to the parent or the child is a challenge for now. But we are working on it.
Right.
And when it comes to doubts and consultancy during a lecture of 90 minutes or 1 hour 20 minutes, when a single child raises a doubt, sir, you can't make other students wait online for clearing that doubt.
Right.
It was a challenge, but a few days back we have come out with that also. We have started keeping a separate session for doubt clearance,
Okay.
subject wise.
Okay. But in a physical environment, probably students learn from each other also. So that may not be happening in online, right?
Sir, they learn from each other and they also mislearn from each other. I would say that they learn both the things, sir, the good and the bad.
But I heard
A
you are
child learns whatever is convenient for him.
I heard you are very strict, so probably
Sir,
student
it's
may
not
not
about me. It's
be
it's a
together.
general thing, sir. Because a child also learns misbehavior from physical contact or conversation between two friends, and he also learn good things from there only.
Right.
Because after 8, he first listens to his friend,
Mhm.
then teachers, and then parents. Maximum students. I'm not talking about each and every child. So please, I don't want any parent to be hurted for that.
Mhm. Right.
They are more open at their age. They are more compatible with each other, expressing each other. And sir, the problem is not expressing. The problem is the view or the suggestion what the other child gives, who's of that age only.
Mhm. Right.
That is the main problem.
Right. And how
So
about
with good, bad also comes.
right? And how about parents? You might be doing some PTMs. So what's the feedback from the parents? How they are seeing it?
Okay, sir, I took 3 PTM this time online only, and
Okay.
I was not very happy because
Why?
many parents could not communicate. They wanted to, but they didn't open up just because it was a screen. Some
Uh-huh.
parents have
Okay.
accepted it, they are appreciating it, but sir, by God's grace, I'm thankful. All the parents are happy with whatever the procedure is going on because one of them said, "Sir, something is better than nothing," but now they are getting more than something.
Right.
So they are happy, but sir, again, I would say that physical is important, but not every day. That's also one thing. We can call 10 parents every day and have a word with them.
Right. That's true.
So that can be overcome or that can be completed, sir. Sir, let's keep
Mhm.
it very simple. Being a teacher, maybe I'm used to give examples. But sir, then
Right.
previously we had messages. हमारे पास कबूतर होते थे सर या
Uh-huh.
गुड़सवार होता था जो मैसेज लेके जाता था चिट्ठी लेके जाता था फिर पोस्ट ऑफिस आया फ्रॉम दैट वी कन्वर्टेड टू पोस्टल सर्विसेज देन वी केम टू सर पेजर देन वी केम टू सेल फोन्स which were not Android. Now, sir, then we have emails, we have Google Meets. सर पहले मीटिंग बोर्ड मीटिंग होता था या मीटिंग हॉल होता था रूम होता था कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम होता था सर अब सर
Right.
कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम इज योर सेलफोन और योर लैपटॉप
Right.
so things have changed. It's
Mhm.
just that we have not explored everything, so we don't know how to overcome that particular problem, whatever we are facing.
Right. That's true. So coming back to again the current situation, basically. So what basically we are in touch with a lot of institutions. So what we hear is probably assuming a rough number, maybe if they were having maybe 100 students, probably they could get a collection of maybe 60, 70% or 50%, and probably there are hardly any new admissions.
Yeah, sir, this is for people those who were, yeah, sir, this is for people those who were only physical.
Right.
But sir, if you go and ask a person or an institute who was physical as well as online or only online, sir, his number is added.
Okay.
So this year is a challenge, sir. This year is challenge. I also, my admissions have also come down by 40%.
Right.
And when I tried to study that, when I tried to analyze that, sir, the reason is not the lockdown. The reason, the reason is the lockdown. It's not because it's online. Many people are not in town.
Right.
They don't have separate cell phones for their child. And
Right.
few parents, sir, I would like to, like every child and parent, those who are online right now, I would want them to know, sir, many parents and many children are just least bothered considering कि ये साल सबको पास करेंगे.
Right. That's also one of the
25% सिलेबस कम किया है, पेपर
Right.
इजी होगा, चेकिंग आसान होगा. सर ऐसा होता भी है, अगर ऐसा नहीं होगा, बट अगर ऐसा होता भी है तो हम लोग हमारे बच्चे का नुकसान कर रहे हैं.
Right. Definitely.
And this is for every coaching classes also, sir. I individually, as a coaching owner, academic owner, I feel that though the syllabus is reduced by 25%, sir, every institute is supposed to teach 100%. If
Right.
it is not possible for now, after exams, he can keep separate sessions for the remaining 25%. Because, sir, this year, due to pandemic, that part is not into consideration. But sir,
Right.
next year when child goes to the next academic year, he's going to require all the information and knowledge of this year.
Definitely. Right.
So, sir, in fact, now it is more important
Mm-hmm. Right.
that the child attends each and every lecture of school.
Right.
And if he was going for academic or he was going for coaching classes and he is used to it, he
Right.
should follow that thing too.
Definitely. Right.
And not only focus on the 75%, every child, every parent has also to plan for the rest 25% after his exams.
Right. Okay. So how do you see probably as per news maybe we may open I think coaching institutions probably from next session now because this session is almost getting over now.
Sir, I too feel that it's going to be difficult to open the schools.
Right.
Maybe it will be in the next academic year itself.
Right.
That's what I feel.
Right.
Because I'd heard somewhere that September they'll start the school, but sir, things are getting worse.
Right. So what could be your strategy going forward for next year? Because most of the institutions they start planning ahead of time, probably in December or January time.
Okay, so we have we have already planned for physical as well as online in full fledged.
Okay. So you are planning to mix both, or some students may be taking only offline, some may be only online, or a mix of both?
Sir, we are giving both the things to each and every child, and the parent will take the decision what he prefers. Even if he comes for physical, he will be provided with online services also.
Okay.
But if he only opts for online, he won't be provided with physical.
Okay. Definitely. Perfect. And what other? How about marketing? How basically because.
Okay, so we have started making some. Hello.
Yeah, I'm saying marketing again also need to be online. So how you are planning for that?
So marketing to started online long back.
Okay.
We have our own YouTube channel, we have Facebook page, we have Instagram page. Now we will be starting posting, not now, but after November, as you had said, because that's where we start framing ourselves and placing ourselves for the new coming students. So this time we are definitely, as I said, geography is a history. This time we are planning for long distance, maybe in multiple. My radius was 10, 15, 20 kilometers. Now we are planning to multiply that for online. Physical for this area, so it's going to be there, sir.
Right.
So maybe some posts, some videos, website development. Website is already there. adding new things to it, making
Right.
it more live.
Right. Okay. So, any tips you want to give to other coaching institution owners? Because a lot of
Uh,
owners
Sir,
find it.
coaching institutes, I don't have any tips, sir. I have only a simple thing. What I did
Right.
is I always followed one statement that the only thing constant is change. I kept on changing and I kept on accepting and adopting new things and new technologies.
Uh-huh. Right.
Because, sir, coming every day and teaching 2 plus 2 is 4
Right.
is hectic. At a time, you reach to a saturation level.
Right.
So you yourself has to bring variation in that.
Right.
So
Probably.
that's what it is. You just keep on changing, trying new things, maintaining the old things. Once you are utilized or you are used to this, you can go for that. And this pandemic may have affected everybody's economy. Why may have it is affected everybody's economy. But ups and downs are parts, sir. That's
Right.
what we teach children, right?
Right. Right.
At times you have to see the other side of the coin also.
Right.
In fact, sir, I got more time to prepare myself.
Mhm. Right.
I got something called as me time. I could plan lot many things to be implemented next year and this year.
Mm-hmm. Right.
My team has learned many new things.
Right.
They have explored so many things. Next year is going to be very handy and very easy.
Right.
So just keep yourself occupied. So
Right.
I have a batch having only 16 students. And
Uh-huh.
the other batch what I have is 150 students. Then I have 120 students. Then I have 80 students. But sir, with 16 students also we have the same energy because we know this 16 is going to add a zero next year if I
Right.
give my best this year.
Right. Definitely.
So I don't think so, sir, except for economical setback, there is any other problem what an institute should be facing if it's not adopted new things.
Right.
So I would request everybody to go for it, to give a try for it. Initially, sir, what we did is we had only our 8-10 staffs.
Uh-huh.
We took an online portal, assigned lecture, and those, if I was the teacher, the other 7 staff was the student. Then somebody else is a teacher and I am a student. And slowly,
Okay.
slowly we came that, sir. But sir, we kept on trying, and sir, we are here, there we are.
Great. Definitely. It must be inspiring, I think, for a lot of institutions. And what does your team basically has a role in this? Because definitely
Sir, my
these things
team has
are a great team.
they have a big role because they kept me moving.
Okay.
Till last year, it was my children, my students, those who used to keep me moving. So this time they kept me moving. Ki, sir, we can do it.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So
But
let's just give a try.
but
And
physically,
sir, huh,
they are apart. So how do you manage basically?
sir, physically they were apart.
Right.
Now, since we have one person, one table, and we have 6, 7 classrooms, sir. If required,
Okay.
everybody comes and sits in different classroom. If required, if not,
Okay.
they're working from home. And one to one, though, we can meet now, sir. So maybe
Right.
morning I meet one staff, afternoon I meet other, and evening I meet other.
Right. Okay. Great.
Because
And what?
now, sir, God's grace, government is given some freedom for movement,
Mm-hmm. Right.
and that's how, and we are using that time.
Right. And what message you want to give to students?
So students, sir,
Mm-hmm.
they are blessed this year. They are more blessed because,
Mm-hmm.
sir, every child, every parent, maximum child and maximum parent
Mm-hmm.
had one complaint. Sir, time nahi milta. Sir,
Mm-hmm.
time nahi milta. And sir, they were not wrong. Maybe they were not good at time management.
Mm-hmm.
So the child had a school for 6 to 7 hours,
Right.
coaching for 2 hours. So that is 8 to 9 hours occupied.
Right.
1.5 hour getting ready and traveling for school. So that makes it 10.5 hour.
Right.
देन स्कूल होमवर्क 1 hour, सर 12 hours आर ओवर. सर आप और मैं 8 घंटा काम करेंगे तो हम लोग घर पे आके बोलेंगे आप मेरे को थोड़ी देर बैठने दो, अभी घर में कुछ बात नहीं करना तुम लोगों ने, हमने 8 घंटा काम किया. There is
Right.
a child who was 12 hours occupied, out of which 8 to 9 hours he was under supervision,
Right.
which he never wanted to,
Right.
and certain things he had to do against his wish. Now, sir, he is occupied for 4 to 6 hours.
Mm. Right.
4 to 6 hours he is free. He's got the opportunity to use that time for his self-development and for his academics.
Right.
So previously, internet had brought the world together, but had made family apart.
Right.
But the COVID has brought all the families together, sir, and the world is still smaller.
Right. Rightly said.
So,
Right.
so the every child, if I see the from students' point of view, the biggest advantage what every child has is time
Right.
and a device which maximum parents never give it to the child with the fear that he'll misuse it.
Right.
Now, sir, they have that also. The child has to use it properly. It's a
Right.
medium of information, not of entertainment.
Right.
So
True.
if he utilizes his time, sir, there's nothing good like it for him.
Mm-hmm. Right. So next
And
year,
I hope so every child is doing that.
right. So you enjoy more teaching offline or in online?
Sir, sir, I used to enjoy, I still enjoy physical, but sir, now I enjoy online also equivalently because I have good responses from my student side.
Right.
Now they know how to comment, what to comment, and I have learned to read the text and feel happy and
Right.
imagine their smiling faces or their
Right.
confused faces.
True.
So I've learned both the things, and sir, I'm enjoying both the things.
That's good to hear.
At times, I miss everybody seeing the empty classrooms. I feel very depressed or lonely or lost. And sir, I follow a simple thing. I just call up few students and have a word with them,
Right.
and then I'm back to normal, sir.
Mhm. But I heard you were doing a lot of activities like maybe whole night studying and maybe going out picnic. Those
Yeah,
things maybe.
we used to do that. We used to have picnics. We used to have mismatch day. We used to have traditional days. We used to celebrate Teachers' Day. We used to celebrate Children Day,
Right.
farewell, night studies. We used to have. Sir, this year we are not able to. But sir,
Right.
then it's a part and parcel. It's not
You,
by choice.
anything you are doing in
So next
online?
year सब वसूल कर लेंगे हम लोग.
Right.
Sir, online we are doing certain things. We take quiz
Okay.
and we had asked them to have a mismatch photograph and upload it
Acha.
on the class platform. Yeah, we are trying to do that. Then during lecture itself, if we have some time, we give 5 minutes for a child to speak
Okay.
whatever comes to his mind.
Okay. Great.
So those activities are done to keep the child busy and just to so that he doesn't miss all the things or all the fun what he had in his school days or when the
Right.
schools are open. So certain activities are done, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And maybe,
The best part is sometimes I wear a funny t-shirt with a funny coat, and sir, the entire mood changes.
right. Definitely.
The entire mood changes. So now we have to wear a mask.
Right. And many times maybe parents of the child they might be watching, right? So that's all
So
right.
they do. No, sir, they do watch. They do watch. And later on, if any problem, I don't say ki, everything is perfect and 100% good or correct. So they do call up or message whatever problem they are facing or any suggestions if
Uh-huh.
required. They do update me with that.
Okay. But any change you have to bring to your teaching because of that?
Sorry, sir.
Any change you have to bring to your teaching method, or maybe how do you
Yeah,
communicate?
sir. I had to learn. Say every year we change the way of teaching. That's what keeps me going.
Okay.
This year I learned some new way to teach also
Okay.
because I'm not physically with the child. So my
Right.
words and my written things are
Right.
supposed to reach him completely because my facial expression is not possible when I'm on the platform
Right.
and he's on a small screen or a laptop.
Right.
So many things have changed, sir, and we
Right.
have developed it, which is helping students a lot. And I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Not there is still many more things that could be done,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe by next month and we'll be having something new thing coming up.
Right. Great. So that's all from our side also. Thank you, Hemant sir, for giving.
I would like to thank you, sir, because see, this is the advantage, sir. To
Right.
end it, sir, I was very stubborn, as I said. I'd never been live socially, but
Right.
sir, this pandemic, and with your help and with my team's help and with few more things, I came live for lectures.
Right.
I took a meeting which I was doing a regular work, and sir, this is my first live interview or meeting, you can see, which I'm having. I was very conscious.
Right. But you did
But
a
sir,
good job.
we have to, as I said, we have to accept and face it.
Right.
Nothing is going to go wrong.
Definitely.
So this is the biggest advantage. So I would thank you for that, sir, first, for motivating me and encouraging me to come live on Facebook, which I've never done. And secondly, okay, you know it, sir. I'm using your platform itself for online,
Right.
and it's going good.
Right.
There are many companies available. So in fact, I would request every academy to give a try to it, try different platforms,
Right.
expose yourself. Nothing is going to, see, at the end, nobody's going to take away your skills.
Right. So thank you.
So use different tools to express it, sir. Thank you very much for
Right.
giving me this opportunity. And thank you to your entire team
Oh,
who are coordinating right now.
right. Thanks to you as well for giving your wise words. Definitely, I think it will help a lot of other institute owners and definitely to the students as well. So
Thank you, sir.
thank
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
you. We'll
Thank
connect
you.
with you.
Surely, sir. Thank you.